Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to shorten a Google Drive link in a very simple way. So when you want to share this link on social media, emails or any other platform, it will look so much better. So first of all, we're going to go to Google Drive. If you don't have it, you will have to sign in. We're going to click on Go to Drive and here our files will appear. In this case, I'm going to use this one that says picture and our file will open. For my example, I have this sunset picture and here on the upper right part, we're going to go to share. So now here my Gmail will appear and we have to change the general assets and click anyone with the link. Now we're going to copy the link and let's open a new window. Here we're going to copy our link and as you can see, it's a long one. So let's make it shorter and you will be surprised how easy it is. We're going to search on Google TinyURL and click on the first option. Having a shorter link will improve your user experience. It will look more aesthetic and it will make it easier to share, making it more compatible. So now here we're going to have the tiny link page open and it's going to ask us to paste our long link. We're going to do it and it will ask us to put how we want our link to look. Here you're going to have to be creative because some options have already been made. In my case, I'm going to use sunset picture 123. Then we're going to click on shorter and after that we're going to click on copy. But as you can see, our new short link appears after. So now let's see if it works. We're going to open a new window and we're going to paste the link. Here already we can see that it looks so much more friendly and it works. Now we have a short link that will help us have a pretty image when we share it. I hope you guys like this video. See you in the next one. Bye!